people instantly relax. As soon as they jump off the ferry, they're away from the mainland, so all your troubles are back there. You get off the boat and you're like, I'm in paradise and I can actually relax. So, you know, your body and your mind can relax on KI, which is pretty nice.
The magic of the island for me is just time slowing down. Obviously, when people come here, they start to relax, but what they're going to find is that they've got the opportunity and the free time to go at a bit of a slower pace. So I'm Michael Hastings and we are here at Penneshaw Beach Day in Penneshaw Beach, Kangaroo Island. I've been coming here for forever. I learned to swim at this beach. My family's been coming here for holidays and it gets under your skin. A lot of people around here say you can take the boy off the island, but you can never take the island out of the boy. So when people like myself come to visit Kangaroo Island for the first time, it can be the last time in the sense that they never stop coming back. I'm really passionate about this place and I'd love to see more people find it because it's a real gem.
I'm Yanni here at Penneshaw Beach Day. This is a small seaside motel in Penneshaw, right next to the beach. Michael and I bought this place in October last year, just before bushfires and COVID. My dream for it is to create an environment where people can come and have a relaxing holiday. And if we can assist them in any way to do that, that would be my dream and focus. Pretty much it was a rundown 1970s motel. The first day I got here, I remember saying to Mike, man, this place feels like Greece. That sort of has carried through and we're trying to sort of make it like a Mediterranean beachside feel. Smashed out the painting. I was on the paintbrush day and night for a long time. We got all new furniture and poured love into it basically. Feedback so far has been really positive. Cleanliness is number one, obviously, with motels. The one we hear all the time is, how's the view? All the time, do you know what I mean? They rock up onto the grass, look out into the water and they're like, how's the view? And I would say the view's pretty damn good. The thing about other islands around the world is that the party just starts when the sun goes down. You know, at Kangaroo Island, it's relaxing, but I would like to bring some sort of vibe and energy in the evenings.
The bushfires this year were pretty devastating to half of the island, but with the rains coming back, everything's regrowing, the wildlife's coming back. So really good chance for people to come back and see the regenerated growth.
People are always friendly and nature's always beautiful, so you can't really miss.